As we all know that OnePlus have rolled out few developer previews of Oxygen OS 11 and soon will receive open beta for the OnePlus 8 series. In this video we'll take a look at what all new features have been added with Oxygen OS 11 developer preview. Before that, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. First, let's talk about launcher, wallpaper and icon pack. In terms of launcher, you won't see major changes or additions. It's just an improved version over the previous one. With Android 11, we get to see new two wallpapers. One is this static one, which I've never used, and the second one is the live wallpaper. It's not only live wallpaper, it also changes colors depending upon what time of the day it is. Along with that, there are also changes done with shelf, where weather widget is now more bigger in size. Few changes have also been seen with related to notification panel or quick setting panel, where you get few additional informations like day and date, your next alarm, device state, whether it is in silent mode, vibration mode or ringing mode. And on the bottom, you can also see how much data you have consumed using your mobile network. There are some big UI changes done with few of its system apps like phone dialer, SMS application, gallery, calculator and the settings panel. On Oxygen OS 11, OnePlus have more focused on using device with one hand, where you can easily access the entire dialer pad with one hand and your contacts. Calling UI have also been given a complete new look. And most people say that it's a copy of Samsung UI. I won't consider it as a copy, but again, it's a good move. And the same thing goes for the applications like messaging, where you can easily access all the messages using your one hand. And with this latest SMS version, you can enable AI-powered OnePlus messaging service. All the OTPs and important messages are always highlighted. And now Gallery have also got three sections. First one is the photos, collection, and the third one is explore. And once again, completely redesigned for easily using with one hand. As I said, most of the system apps are completely redesigned for single hand usage, and the same thing goes with the settings panel, where you can easily access the top options with your thumb. Another cool feature added to Oxygen OS 11 is Quick Share, which can help you quickly share your photos directly from the camera app by long pressing on the gallery thumbnail, where you get options of all your social media instead of going inside the gallery and then using multiple settings. There are lots of new features added with OnePlus camera on Oxygen OS 11. I've made a dedicated video on that. If you guys want to check that out, link of that will be given in the description below. And the same thing goes for the screenshots. Whenever you take any screenshot, long press on the screenshot thumbnail, again you'll see all these options to quickly share the photo. Another most awaited feature which have been added on Oxygen OS is always on display, which can be found inside the settings, display, ambient display, and here we have the option of always on display, where you can schedule always on display or you can keep it on throughout the day. With always on display, they have added a new clock style which is called as Insight, where you get to see how many times you have unlocked the device and the usage of your device. The empty space on this bar shows for how much time you haven't used your device. It's a cool implementation to get to know your usage pattern. Other clock style remains same. Other than this, no new clock styles have been added. Brightness of always on display is pretty low, and as I've been using this Oxygen OS 11 from first base, which was developer preview 1, it drains little more battery. Hope it gets fixed in the upcoming stable builds of Oxygen OS 11. Now let's talk about the customization options available on Oxygen OS. So there are no major changes done over here. Theme section have been removed from this customization settings. Now you don't have the ability to change entire theme. Few pre-installed Essence color are available, but if you want further customization, you can tap on the customization and set your color range. We still have the ability to change the system icon shapes and complete icon packs, where you can also download custom icons from the Play Store. As it's an Oxygen OS, but we still get the Hydrogen OS icon pack pre-installed on developer preview. And a major change what they have done here is related to the fonts. OnePlus Slate fonts have been replaced by OnePlus Sans. I still use OnePlus Roboto fonts, which is easy readable for me. And now let's take a look at the dark theme. This feature was previously available on Oxygen OS, but with Android 11, which is Oxygen OS 11, it's been more optimized. We get the dark mode toggle directly implemented inside the quick setting panel. If you move inside the settings, display, dark mode, and now here we get the option to manually switch dark mode, which wasn't available previously. So you can manually turn it on, and you can also turn it on or off automatically based on sunrise or sunset. There are few third-party applications which are not being supported with dark mode, but we have an option to forcefully adapt to dark theme. Here you can see Zomato and Flipkart doesn't support dark theme, but you can force them to adapt to the same theme. Here we have the Flipkart application and the same thing goes with the Zomato. And the next one is not a new feature. Here few additions have been done with related to Zen mode, wherein time duration have been increased up to max 120 minutes and they have newly added 3 themes. Along with that, if any friend of yours using OnePlus and wanted to use Zen mode, then you can create a room or join a specific room if someone have created. I have never used Zen mode. What you guys think about this feature? Do let me know in the comment section below. And then we have a new update for gamers, which was added with this latest developer preview 4, in which they have added a new gaming toolbox, which can be seen here, and the ability to avoid mistouch. For this also I have made a dedicated video that will be given in the description below. And now talking about the last change, which is done with the power menu, which is exactly the same what comes on Android 11 for Pixel devices, where we get the power options, screenshot, and another cool option from where you can control all your smart devices. So guys, these were the few new additions done with latest Oxygen OS 11 for OnePlus 8 series. And if you guys want to install the latest developer preview, which is 4, then link of that will be given in the description below. And developer preview 4 is very close to stable version. I've been using it as my daily driver. So guys, that's it in today's video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.